Sana nandito pa. Sana nandito pa. Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Nakita ko. What the fuck are you? Sino ka ba? Saan ka galing? At kanino pa pala? Ginabi pa ako. Ayaw. Oh my God. Ang sakit na katawa ko. Today, nasa aking harapan ngayon ay walang iba akong DC. Skeleton Oro is a epic outfit in Fortnite that can be purchased with Minty Legend Pack in the item shop. Skeleton Oro was first released in Chapter 2 Season 8 and is part of the Minty Legend set. Ooh, wait. Let's take a look at the box. So, yun, medyo may kalumaan na. Medyo nadudumihan yung pagka-white tong ano. Dahil siguro 2 years na to sa akin. Ow! What the heck? Yan! Skeleton Oro. Kasama sa line. Yung sa wave 1 ng figures nito, ng line na to. Sa ibaba nito may parang ano siya. Collector's guide. Yan. Bakit niya tinanggal sa mga figures to? Okay nga to eh. Weapons and characters. Line ng characters. Bakit wala na ngayon? Oy, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's cast him loose. And here he is out of the package. Look at them. Look at him. Oh, damn. Let's take a look at the details of the paint job and sculpt. Oof. Ooh, wait. Oof. Damn. Yung stuff o yung pickaxe niya. Kung tawagin pickaxe daw na yun. You know. It looks like a staff, a wizard staff. Oof, oof. May details din pala yun eh. And why is the face? This is the face. Looks the face. Fade sa ano, medyo fade. Articulation. Let's go. So first up, head, left and right, up and down, up, that far, down. That far. Oof. Shoulders up. Ikot. Uy. Soft material. Soft rubber. Yung. Bicep. Wala. Elbow. Wrist. Up and down. I mean left and right or up and down. Yeah. And naiikot din. Same lang din sa kabila. Yan lang din. Waist. May waist siya. You know. Wala ka lang dyan. Kasi this is sculpt. Excuse me. This is sculpt. Yung kanyang damit. May ano. Nakaharap. So I don't mind it. It's okay. Spread. Sa tie. Ganyan lang kasi ano. Ito nakaharang. Pero pag ginanya mo naman yan, articulate mo naman siya. Tie cut. Yes. Double joint knees. And ankle rockers. Or pivot. May ano lang yung ano kopya ko. Oh shit. May tama lang yung ano ko. Pero ano man. It's okay. Pag ginanya ko naman, seamless naman siya. Hindi naman siya nakikita. Wala nang papansin dyan. Hindi mo makikita yan. Dito lang yan sa bahay. Sa kanyang accessories, no? Ito na hawak niya. Kaya nila, isa lang. Wala nang ganito, character's guide or yung stand. Yun. Ito lang. Ito lang, sapat na. Size comparison. Let's go. Here's Marvel's Epic Hero Series Drax, Bladen, G.I. Joe's Neon Viper, Love Ranger, Robot Wars Sentry, Jack Specific Sonic 3, Shadow, and DC Spin Master's Superman. Overall, this figure is amazing. Saan makakabili ka mo? Dati sa TK, ako lang ngayon. Siguro online na. Kung makachamba ka sa TK o sa mga store, good for you. And that's it for this one. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all know what to do. Y'all the best. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Leave a comment down below. And what you think about the video. And yeah, if you enjoyed this one. And I'll see y'all on the next round. Ooh, dalawang taong sa akin. Ngayon lang kita nabuksan. Well, ngayon lang ako nagka-time. Otherwise, bye guys! Sakit pa rin ang katawan ko. Grabe. Who's next? Huh? Hmm?